So I thought I could do a better job at lighting the art instead of using just the 9 volts out of the back of the stereo to use a relay to switch a powered transformer that has a higher amperage. So here I'm just adjusting the output for the 5 volts control that the relay needs. So in the top left you can see that I tied the positive and the signal lines together. That way the relay will switch whenever power is applied. I'm going to use an extension cord to create this switched circuit. So I'm just cutting into the hot side and we're going to tie this to the relay. Here I'm connecting it to the normally open side of the relay. And plug it in, make sure it works. Here I'm going to use this repurposed 12 volt transformer. Okay, time to get it installed. So here I have the buck converter installed and connected, and I'm just connecting the relay. Then I can run the power cord down to the outlet. And plug in the adapter. And run the 12 volt line to the tree. Okay, let's see how good it works. Oh, that's a lot better. Okay, so here's a before and after. See you on the next one.